about the Retrieval Augmentation Generation, short form RAG. So this we will going to learn about end to end of it. So the first step of making any RAG system is to load the document itself. It could be from anywhere, and we are going to see various methods how we can load our data. So I have taken a PDF, a text file, and a markdown file, and let's try to read them and see using the LangChain how can we do the loading of a file. So for that you'll need to add the LangChain community. So once this package is installed, so let's from LangChain community dot document loader, let's import. Let's first load the text loader. This is the class we have imported, loader dot text loader, and then you need to specify the path. So I have this text file. Let's get the relative path of it, and we have to specify the encoding is the UTF-8, and then that's how you loader dot docs dot load, and let's print the document. Now let's run it. What you will do, RAG loader. There you can see we have loaded a document. So good thing about this, it creates the metadata of the document itself. See, metadata source, the file of path, and then the page content will be very convenient for us when we are making the RAG, like when we are inserting the document. So this structure will become very important. So now let's try to get our document from a URL. So for that, make sure that you have beautiful soup dependency installed. Let me do it. Let's also do bs4. So it install beautiful soup 4, and now we can import web-based loader, and let's comment them out. So same thing, loader, web-based loader. Here you need to specify the URL. So let's get the document of, I'm just making an example. You can make any URL, you can pass any URL here. Make sure that if they do not detect us as a bot, then you will be able to get the document. Load. Let's print what we have loaded. Perfect. See, now the metadata source, we are getting the title and its language, and this is the page content. See, we are getting multiple informations. Now, once you learn about the uh, loader, then one of more important is the PDF loaders. So let's also learn them. So there is a class which is PyPDF loader, and same thing again, the PyPDF loader, and we'll need to specify path to a PDF file. Let's copy the path, and rest of the things are exactly same. Okay, so we need to install PyPDF. No problem. Perfect. So what we get, uh, document, producer, creator, creation date, title, author, metadata, modification date, source, total pages, page 0 content. In a very structured way, we have read that LangChain paper that we want, because these informations will be very handy when you are creating any RAG system. So now we just have loaded our document. We cannot put an entire document to an embedding model. So for that we'll need to learn about the text splitting. So in next lecture we are going to learn how we can split the loaded text. Thank you.